Sadar Pranam. Hello, how are you? I hope all good there. Now we start. Today we study very first chapter of science. Topic is food. In this chapter we study about variety of food, ingredients, source, etc. and make some activities based on this topic. So that's so interesting topic we take today. Now firstly I want to tell you one thing, that is yesterday I went my friend's Manisha's birthday party. Wow, yesterday was amazing. There was lots of laugh, lots of talking, and lots of food also. Manisha's mother decorate table with lots of food variety because she knows that Ramandeep likes roti and dal makhani. Geetika likes chole bhature. Pinky likes sweets and me also like kheer, and Kamla likes aloo ke gutke. All are there. We are so foodie and eat all things cup 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 cup. So many variety of food there. How can food varies from one to another? Food variety depends on availability of food. For example, in coastal area of India, rice is main crop. In middle area, wheat, and hill region, fruits and some vegetables grown easily. Availability of food depends on three main things. First is temperature, second is environmental conditions, and third is geography of that region. Rice cultivated mostly in coastal areas because swampy land and moisture is essential for rice. So food like idli, dosa, etc. also cook from rice, and these two examples of variety of food, or you can say special dishes of that region. In hill region, fruits and vegetable are grown because low temperature and any other climatical condition optimum for that. I want to ask a question. How can you make various food? Tell me. Now answer is, using different ingredients we can prepare another variety of food. Here I am using a word, that is ingredients. Now my question is, what is ingredients? Answer है, ingredients are the things that are used to make something, especially all the different foods you use when you are cooking a particular dish. In another words, ingredients we can say easily another word which can be used instead of ingredients, that is element or component. These elements and components make dish interesting, tasty, and so much nutritious. Okay, first of all you tell me name of any dish. I take a simplest example for you. The dish is rice. Name ingredients that are used for this dish. Only two main ingredients used. Number one, rice, and number two is water. Okay. Now, second dish. That's dal. What are the main ingredients to prepare a tasty dal? Ingredients are pulses, water, salt, onion, garlic, tomato, oil or ghee, and some spices. Now you make a table and name the food or dish and their ingredients which are used to prepare that dish. You have to write these ingredients name in front of that special food or dish. Now my question is, these essential ingredients come from fruits and vegetable also come from. The answer, of course, from plants. Will you answer me source of rice, wheat, maize, pulses, etc.? These days you see wheat field near you or your area or in your village. These plants give us grains and grind it. We make flour, and my mother and your mother also make chapati, paratha, stuffed paratha, kachori, and malpua. So yummy malpua. I like it. Now you tell me the name of your favorite dish also. Now let's make a list of ingredients used to prepare food items and their sources. List is based on three parts. Now first part is item, second part is ingredients, and third part is source of ingredients. Now first name is kheer. That's my favorite. So item is kheer. Ingredients are milk, rice, sugar and nuts. Now I am telling about the source of these ingredients. Milk. Milk. The source of milk is animal. Rice. Source is plant. Sugar. Source plant. Nuts. Source plants. Now second dish is chicken curry, which is liked most by my friend Gagandeep. Okay. Now ingredients: chicken. Now second, spices. Third, oil or ghee. Next, fourth, water. Chicken, source is animal. Spices, source is plant. Oil or ghee, source both animal and plants. Oil, if it's fish oil, then it is produced or come from animals, and if it is sunflower oil, it's come from plants. Water is water, come from my house tap. Tap 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 tap. Find out the conclusion of these activities. Conclusion is plant are source of food ingredients like grains, cereals, fruits, vegetables and etc. etc. Animal produces milk, egg and meat. The summary of this is there is a lots of variation in food eaten in different regions of India. Here I gave you some examples or some state food. Now first number is Uttarakhand. Favorite dishes of Uttarakhand is aloo ke gutke, dubke, kumauni raita. So mouth watering dishes there. Uttar Pradesh, bati chokha, tehri. Now vegetable pulao also known as tehri, malpua and dum aloo. In capital of India, mean to say Delhi, chole bhature, aloo tikki, papdi chaat and lachha. Rice is a major food consumed in India. So this is called as staple food. The food that is consumed in majority of any region or any country. So that food known as the staple food. So rice is majority consumed in India known as staple food. People consume many dishes made primarily of rice, mostly in southern, eastern and southeastern part of India. I will ask some questions on the base of one word. Now, maize is dash based product. In dash portion, you have to tell me plant or animal. So, maize is dash based product. Maize is plant based product. Paneer is based product. Butter is dash based product. Butter is animal based product. Moong dal is dash based product. Moong dal is plant based product. Now today we stop our topic here and you have to make some activities. Now you have to list your favorite dishes or your dish and their ingredients, and now you can included some other ingredients which you make your dish very tasty, spicy and very yummy. Now we will meet soon. Bye bye.